Hey lovelies, my name is Noria. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we have another haul. I need to stop doing those. Really, I need to stop. But today is all about some coffee. So, little backstory, just because throwing that out there, you can totally skip this to see what the haul is. But last year, I didn't know that Nespresso did the Advent Calendar, and I didn't see it until it had already gone sale for 50% off after Christmas, which was cool, except so did everyone else, so my order was canceled and I never got the calendar. I did get credit, but they canceled my order because after I had ordered it, they found out, oh wait, we don't have that many. So I got it this time. I went ahead and bought it. I also bought some other things too, so I'm just going to show you guys what I got, and either in a separate video or I don't know if I'll do shorts. I don't know how I want to open the box yet, so yeah, any suggestions on that I will appreciate in the comments below. As always, you gotta get a recyclable bag whenever you order. I always try to just throw them in the bag, even if I'm just ordering 1 or 2 boxes. They were a little stingy this time. They only gave me 1. Normally I at least put 2 in my bag, but whatever. My absolute favorite decaf. I am very much a person who can drink coffee and fall right to sleep, but also I have the tendency to sometimes drink coffee too late in the day and then be up all night. I'm very inconsistent, so I found that the Artesio Decaffeinato have been like my go-to either when I just want a coffee fix and I don't want to commit to the caffeine, or if I just want a smaller espresso drink. So I got 2 of those. Also, a few weeks ago, I realized I hadn't descaled my Nespresso probably since the beginning of summer. I ran it through a clean cycle, but I haven't descaled it. So I was going to, and I found out I didn't have any. So I bought another descaling kit just so I could keep this baby running for as long as I can. We got our samples, because you know you always get samples when you shop with Nespresso. It is the Blanco Bianco Piccolo. I am actually happy to receive these because I've been wanting to try these flavors. I've been wanting to try these flavors before I commit to a full size, so when I saw that they were available in the sample, I was like, yes. Yes, please. Last but not least, we got the Advent Calendar. I am so excited. Also, this packaging alone, I am probably going to keep and put on display. I'm going to try to open it. I did open it a little bit because I'm like 5 and can't wait, but I'm gonna need 2 hands because it comes a box within a box. So yeah, so again, love the box. This is probably going to go on display for me somewhere, but you would take off the lid and you get the first couple of days, and then it opens out into, oh gosh, see if I can do this standing. Where is it? Okay. This is not the best way for me to open this, but you know what? It's fine. So it opens up into like 3 different tiers, and you have 24 days. So you have 23 coffees and then a special item, which is normally always a cup. So I haven't decided yet how I want to open it. I was going to do a daily thing and then show you how I make the coffee, but I am fickle and I don't want coffee for 23 days straight because I'm not a big coffee drinker in that sense. So not sure how we'll do that, but be on the lookout because something is coming for that. But also there are so many other videos out already that tell you what's inside of here. So you can also just search those and not even worry about this. So that is everything I got from Nespresso. I am super, super happy that I was able to get an Advent Calendar this year. I actually haven't bought an Advent Calendar for anything in ever. So this is my first Advent Calendar. And yeah, if you want to see an unboxing of this, like a full unboxing, not just a day by day, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!